What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at something a little bit different. Now, most of you, probably all of you have heard of vaporizers. There's a new trend going around apparently, and I wasn't really aware of this trend until Corked hit me up. Apparently this trend is not just vaporizing, but vaporizing essential oils. Portable aromatherapy, if you will. It says it right there on the box, portable aromatherapy. Your mood, your way. What they're saying is that with portable aromatherapy, you can basically put yourself in many different moods. They have all kinds. This one is trance, and I've got my notes here because it's a lot to remember, but trance has lavender, which improves sleep and reduces anxiety. Sweet I don't know what that is. What does that say? What is that? Marjoram? Marjoram. Relaxing and seductive effect on both the mind and body. Valerian. Calming and grounding to the body and mind. Vitamin B12. If you didn't know, vitamin B12 is used for like energy. It's like kind of like a natural way of energy. I actually take B12 pills sometimes. Keeps your nerves and red blood cells healthy, plus 11 other essential ingredients. I'm definitely curious myself. I've tried vaporizers before, and this is the first for me. So let's try it. I'm gonna try it first time with you guys. Now, typically, short story time with Matt. When I sit down to have a recording session, I grab myself a Red Bull. Kind of give me that little boost of energy that I may need. Oh wow! Oh, there's different ones in here. Oh, they got ecstasy and alive also. How to use: pop the top, slide it out, draw into the mouth, exhale out the nose. So they give me a little Corked logo sticker. Oh, so trance isn't even in here. That's just the box. Refresh, alive, and ecstasy. All right. Okay. Pop? What do you mean pop? Oh, look at that. Just pops right off. You pull it out. Oh, just like a little e-cig. It's got the little peace sign on the end. Smells like, what is that? Is that like thyme or mint? Maybe thyme. Okay, let's try it out. Here we go. That's like spices. It's soothing. All right, I'm gonna go big. Go big or go home. It's very smooth. It's not like vapor at all. Very odd. What is that? Which one is that? Oh, mandarin, turmeric, that's what I'm tasting, and basil, I'm tasting those two. Ginger, lemongrass, oregano, parsley seed. Okay, I can taste the oregano too. And this one's called Refresh. All right, well let me just sit back and try to refresh. I mean, it's soothing because I'm inhaling slowly and exhaling. The flavor is very refreshing, I'll give it that. Let's try Alive. Lemon, thyme, vanilla, caraway, cinnamon leaf, clary sage, dill seed, ginger, lime peel, mandarin, rosemary, tea tree, and B12. All right, we got a nice little orange look to it. Ooh, that one's different. I can taste the mandarin a little bit. Because this one was actually pretty strong, I probably shouldn't have gone with this one first. The thyme and the like oregano and basil in here, I think is kind of drowning out the flavors of the other ones. Yeah, that one's really tasty. Now, I think these are supposed to last like 200 to 300 times, like 200 to 300 hits. I think that's similar to like an e-cig. They're not refillable, so they're disposable. I like that one. That one's good too. So far, so good. All right. All right, let's try ecstasy. Here we go. A little ecstasy, never hurt anybody. Now, I'm not sure if this one's supposed to put you in the mood or something. Cinnamon leaf, geranium? I'm not sure what geranium is. Lemon, black pepper, caraway, copepa, frankincense, ginger, hyssop, I'm not sure, mandarin, orange, vanilla. Ooh. Oh yeah, that one's really good. This one's kind of like Christmas. Ecstasy. Christmas ecstasy. It's pretty good. I'm gonna try them all at the same time. Here we go. That was too much. Maybe it's a little overkill doing all of them, but I'm starting to get a sense of like relaxation. You can definitely tell that there is no nicotine. I think that's the big plus here. Some people, they vape for just, you know, for the relaxation or the feeling or the flavor, and they're not really smokers, so they don't go for nicotine. I think these ones are just strictly like essential oil aromatherapy style vapes. Maybe you know some smokers and you're like, you know what? I'm tired of the smell of your smoke. Pull one of these out and be like, now you gotta smell this to counteract the smoke flavors or the smoke smells. The ones that focus on like relaxation or something, you know, I don't think they're gonna put you to sleep, but to relax your body, those scents and, you know, I mean, for centuries, since man has been man and spices have been spices, we have been using spices to do all kinds of things. Medicinal purposes, meditation, relaxation. We use spices for a lot of things, right? So, I mean, I can definitely tell that there's spices in these, for sure. I mean, I could still taste it in my mouth right now as I'm talking. I don't know which one it was, but I definitely feel relaxed. Maybe it was the ecstasy. I mean, I don't like feel funny or anything. Are you new? If you're new, are you even new enough to go with portable aromatherapy? Smell good everywhere you go and be refreshed and alive. And on those nights, pull out the ecstasy. You never know. Netflix and chill right here. They should rename that one to Netflix and chill. That's what they should name it. Wow, I feel really relaxed. Do I look more relaxed? I feel relaxed. Like I just wanna take a nap or something now. I kinda do. Anyway, guys, okay, so that is it. Definitely go check them out. You know, if you're interested in the aromatherapy and you wanna try the new when it comes to essential oils, check out Cork. In the link below, it'll link to their website, and it has the Unbox Junkie at the end of the URL. That means if you click on that link, you're gonna get a discount when you get over there. So if you're gonna go check them out, click the link below. You'll see it says, what does it say? Go to corked.com/discount/unbox junkie. Link will be down below, get your discount. Go try them out, it's kind of cool. I leave it in your hands, so yeah, go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.